Greetings, guys. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you all a little bit about how to navigate through ZYNG. The idea of this video is to be able to show you that once you sign in, you can quickly log in. You will land up on this page. This is where you will see all your workflows as well as your organization's workflows. Workflows are basically step by step processes for editing these images at scale. You can start editing using an existing workflow, or you could be creating a new workflow as well. I will take you guys through the process of creating a new workflow quickly, where you are able to see a whole range of functions here. You can choose a combination of those functions and ranges to create that workflow. Let me take this image quickly for example. I can remove and clip the background. I'm just showing you guys an example of how we could use these workflows. Then we're able to, let's say, crop the nose of this model. We're able to add a margin and so on. So this is where you will be able to create the workflow, save it, choose the export settings and go ahead and create it. Once you've created a workflow, you can go ahead, use any workflow and select a whole range of images that you would want. You're also able to see the step by step workflow where you're able to see the specific steps you've put in. You can also go ahead, edit that workflow for temporary purposes to be able to process those images there. As we mentioned, the DPI, the quality, all of those aspects would turn up here. Then I would quickly take you to our past images. Once you've run and processed these images, you can go to the past images, look at the workflow name, look at the number of images, the workflow details. You could also see the images, the older images that you've run, and then you could also download them. The idea is you could also start editing your images from this page itself. Let's quickly take you to the account section. This is where you'll be able to see what workspace you are part of. If you're part of any workspace there, people can also add users to the workspace. If you have a master account, which in this case I don't, so you can add a user, you can leave the workspace as well, and you can download usage report. The usage report is something on a daily basis, that what are the number of images you've processed and how they could be seen in terms of your workflows as well. You also have your API keys here, where you're actually able to generate your API key to be able to use the different processes in ZYNG as an API. Then I bring you quickly to our billing section. Here you're able to see the pricing that we're offering, starting all the way from 0.05 to as low as 0.013. So we're seeing a lot of kind of options, and then you have custom pricing. You can choose to put in your credits here, and we automatically break it down for you from starter to basic, and then we're able to see, okay, this is the charge that you'll go through. So that's the area where you're able to see all your details, get new credits, etc. So this was a quick run through on how to navigate through ZYNG to look at the different areas that are present, and please continue watching this series for a lot more.